Whether you've been hauling a trailer for a short time or a long time, the transparent trailer system from Brandmotion adds functionality and safety. Bigger trailers bring bigger problems. Changing lanes, knowing what's in your blind spot or what is waiting behind you is always part guess and part luck. Brandmotion's transparent trailer systems takes all that worry away. This revolutionary product replaces your traditional rear view mirror with a digital live feed mirror that shows continuous HD video feeds from 2 cameras, a wireless one mounted on your trailer and an integrated camera mounted to your third brake light. The mirror offers a vibrant color display, and with a simple flick of the switch, it goes from the third brake light camera to the trailer camera. The cameras have a heavy-duty design for durability. They are waterproof, shockproof, and easy to install. The trailer camera offers night vision capabilities and has a 120-degree field of view. The rear-facing Chimsel camera has a 155-degree visible area. If you're interested in a transparent trailer from Brandmotion or needing help with installation, check out our store locator on screen or in the description. Be sure to check back each week for new videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.